Mga kasingal, isa na namang special request ang bibigyan natin ng panahon ngayon. Mula ito sa isa sa ating mga avid fan at top fan, si Ma'am Cheryl Calderon. Sabi niya, mayong hapon idol, request unta sa Lunes, pizza 26, ako birthday. Og This Girl Has Turned Into a Woman by Mary McGregor. Pababae na naman yung kakatahin natin. Okay. Sabi pa niya, og shout out sa akong pamilya sa Habunga, Agusan del Norte. Anyura family, Linaga family, Lasaka family, Ontilo family, Ramos family, og sa akong pamilya, Calderon family. Og bonus song ni Roel Cortez, happy birthday to you, idol. May bonus song pa. Okay, happy birthday sa iyo, Ma'am Cheryl Calderon. Sana mabigyan katuparan ng aking Panginoon lahat mong kailangan sa Kanya sa maganda mong buhay. At God bless po sa inyo, Ma'am, sa iyong pamilya. Okay, kakantahin natin ngayon ay ang kanyang unang request, ang This Girl Has Turned Into a Woman by Mary McGregor. Ito na.
Wake up, the morning's over. The bed is soft and warm where we lay. I breathe the warm night through, and how I'll say it to you, all the things my heart wants to say. Last night you heard me crying, 'cause I had never loved a man before. And I guess the tears were falling, 'cause the little girl was lost. But now, love, I'm not crying anymore. This girl has turned into a woman, and I dream of this moment all my life. This girl has turned into a woman, and I thank you for your tenderness last night. I've never seen your head lying on my pillow